In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create vintage black and white look in Luminar NEO. This classic style is perfect for adding a timeless, film-inspired mood to your images, and we'll build it step by step so you understand not just what to click, but why it works. Start by opening your photo in Luminar NEO and switching to Edit mode. In the Essentials section on the right, open the Black and White tool and click Convert to B&W. This removes color so you can craft your tones more precisely. Use the luminance sliders for each color channel to control how bright or dark those tones appear. Pull the blue slider to shape skies, red and yellow for skin, and green to manage foliage. Small moves go a long way. You're balancing detail and mood rather than making everything pop. Next, shape the contrast for that gentle, aged feel. Vintage black and white images often look slightly softened, so reduce contrast a little. Lower the highlights to tame bright areas, and lift shadows just a touch to open up darker parts. If you want more control, open Develop and use curves. A subtle S-curve adds definition, while slightly lifting the black point creates that faded old print appearance. Keep it delicate so the image feels authentic, not washed out. Now add texture that mimics film. Go to the Creative section and open Film Grain. Increase amount to introduce grain, then tune size and roughness. Larger, rougher grains emulate older stocks, while smaller grains feel cleaner. View at 100% zoom as you adjust so the texture enhances the photo rather than distracting from it. Grain should support the story and unify the tones. For a more classic finish, you can add toning. Head to Creative and choose Toning. Apply warm highlights, think a gentle amber or sepia, and cooler shadows for depth, or keep both sides warm for a unified look. Adjust hue and saturation carefully. A subtle tint maintains a refined, vintage character without overpowering the image. Finally, add a vignette to guide the viewer's eye. In Essentials, open Vignette and move amount into the negatives to darken the corners. Use roundness, feather, and size to control the shape and softness so the effect feels natural and keeps attention on your subject. A soft, wide vignette often works best for this style. Take a moment to toggle your tools to see before and after. With careful luminance control, softened contrast, tasteful grain, optional toning, and a gentle vignette, you've created a convincing vintage black and white look in Luminar NEO.